Dali na, George. Gamitig mat, bay.
Sige na, layat na.
Sabay na ko.
Layat na. Woo! Nice move. Yeah, pasa.
Wow! Adventure!
Hoy, kuan. JB.
Hindi kasi pwedeng mabasa ang mga paa namin kasi
Dapa.
alam mo na.
Samot na nagkaguba. Guba gid siya.
Wala.
Nasangit ka ar. Ako daw try. Wala hawk naman student mo.
Huh? If you don't wanna do that one, Ate Katya,
I could not.
you will just jump there, oh. Oh, there.
I will jump there.
Jump.
Because it's heavy. Because it's heavy the
Good. Come on, let's go. Let's jump. Okay,
Apoy, matanggal ako ayo dik. Ay,
Lord help me. Okay.
I cannot. Apoy, naangangan ko. Ay, sorry. I'm afraid.
You're afraid? Don't be afraid. God is with us.
Maangangan man ko. Sige na. Can you not walk in the water there?
Let's call Peter. Text Peter. We will walk at the water.
I'm scared. Lord!
Okay, bye-bye sa guys.
You can go down lower.
Our tour guide.
How can I jump this far?
That man.
I'm scared.
Ay! Ay! Natumba.
You jump, cut.
How can I jump there, boy?
Cut, jump.
I'm scared to jump
No, don't scare. No, just jump. Go lower.
Hala, you will jump there. Oh.
The water.
There, you can step on that.
Step there, oh.
You will not die, cut.
That one, and then step your left. Lower.
It's there.
Lower. Yeah. There. Okay.
Yeah.
Push your body. Come on, you can do
You
it.
cannot push like that. You will not feel comfortable. Body posture. Yeah. Okay.
If you won't jump, you will stay there.
Jump.
How
Yes, jump.
Dita.
Okay.
Until here.
Careful, huh? Yeah, you can. Make it sure you jump that.
You can do it. You survived
Yeah.
already. I know.
You survive, oh, sugi, oh. You're wearing it.
Nakasugi.
You're
Careful,
wearing it.
Careful,
Yung uniform sugi yun. Din.
Alam mo lang kaya yung kawayan.
Ay, my goodness.
Tapos hawakan siya.
Sige.
Jump, cut.
Papalunin natin.
If I count 1, 2, 3, jump, ha?
Papalunin natin, Pastor.
1. Okay. Take your
You
time.
can do it, God.
Okay,
Uy,
1.
kawayan. Basi
Two.
malungkot ni siya.
1. 2. I will catch your arm.
Okay, that's good.
2.
2.
3, jump.
From here.
Yeah, it's quite obvious.
Hindi aabot yan.
Hindi yan aabot.
Dito ka, oh. Jump here.
Oh, that's hard.
Okay, go. You can do it.
My Jesus.
Yeah. Your Jesus is there.
Look at, oh. Look at my feet.
Yeah, you
Sila tong sand.
Hindi yan aabot. Kapag doon ka aabot.
2, 3.
Go.
Remove. It's a challenge for you.
Challenge for you.
Are you sure? Oh my goodness.
No success.
Not yet. You will not height stop.